ResNet 151 and so on. Today we are going to see ResNet50 because as a name plays, it consists of 50 layers only. So what you can say here from here means ResNet is one of the familiar powerful image classification model that can be trained on large datasets and also provides state-of-the-art statistics. That is possible. And one of the major key innovation of this model is called residual connections. That is the major benefit also. And this is the general block diagram of this one. Generally it consists of 4 layers, that is called convolution layer, identity block, convolutional block, at last the fully connected layers. So we have to know what is what. So zero padding, convolution is there, batch, normalization, reload is there, max pooling is there, again convolution, identity block is there, this everything is there repeatedly. So we have to know some information about this diagram. What you can understand here means convolution layer, because this is the first layer of the network. So convolution layer is the first layer of the network and also perform the convolution. Moreover, this is also followed by the max pooling layer that always downsample the output of the convolution layer. And the important thing is these convolution layers are responsible for input images. Extracting features from the input image, it may be edges, textures or shapes, anything like that. And come to the identity block. So identity block, what you can understand means it's one of the simple block that always passes the input through a series of convolution layers and also get back the input back then add the input back to the output also. Then come to the residual blocks. This is also important because this consists of 2 convolution layer and followed by batch, normalization and so on. And the output of the second layer is the add to the input of the residual block. That means continuously is there. See, continuous is there. And next one is called fully connected layer because this is the final layer of the network and also it takes the output of the last residual block easily and map to the output classes. Here the number of neurons in the fully connected layer is equal to the number of output classes. So from this ResNet50 we can understand 4 things are important: convolution layer, identity block, convolution block, at last the fully connected layers. I hope I understand what is ResNet50 today and why is so important. The upcoming session definitely go for implementation. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.